Hello everyone, let's go and create an exercise, an easy one, because we are reading from the text just 2 days. Let's just create an exercise. Let's create a Gmail finder, for example, to find that if the Gmail type is right or wrong. How we can type it? For example, let's say we have an input, let's say Gmail equal to input. Please enter your Gmail. The Gmail have something that is special about it. And what is it? The Gmail is content. For example, learning star @gmail.com. If it has @gmail.com in its end, it is a Gmail. And we want to find it out. Let's say here we run this line of code. Wait a little for the Python tree to connect it. Let me just copy that Gmail. Sorry, what I do, okay. Let me just copy that Gmail, paste it here. Now we have something stored in Gmail. That is our Gmail. What type is it? Think a little, 5 seconds. It's a string. Type Gmail. It's a string. Okay, what we need to do, we need to find that this Gmail is right or wrong. How we can find that? Oh, sorry, we put 2 Gmail, I think, here. Let's see if it is right or wrong. Gmail. The input is right. How we are gonna find that? We are going to select these syllables in our Gmail. At first, let's do some experiment. We can, by the len command, find out the length of our string. It's 22. What we are going to do, we are going to find that Gmail. We are going to find that how many string we are going to select to show us only the end of this Gmail. We are going to select these strings only. Let's say, for example, 5. As you can see, if we go by 10, 12 is the right answer. Okay, you see @gmail.com has been selected, but we have some minor problem here. What is the problem? Let's say when we say input Gmail, his Gmail likes this @gmail.com. Now, when we run this, it's giving us mail.com. Why? Because the syllables we have here before @gmail can be different, but the syllables here are the same. What we are going to do, we are going to find from what? We are going to select from the end of our Gmail. Let me just put the Gmail back. Okay, we are going to, let's say, for example, -2. What it is going to give us? OM. What is OM? This OM. Let's see, -10 @gmail.com. And with every Gmail we gave to it, for example, let's say something like this, @gmail.com. It's going to give us the @gmail.com. Okay, let's make our quantifier ready. We create a code line here, copy the input line, and then what we are going to do, we are going to say that a equal to Gmail minus 10. And we are writing here in the exercise. I don't put a comment and note because it's not important, but you can write comment. It's a good exercise for you. We here put what? If A is equal, we put 2 equal @gmail.com, print welcome, else print wrong Gmail. Let's run it. We paste our Gmail. Wrong Gmail. Why it's happening? You can guess why does it happening? I don't know either. Let's see why it's happening. We just copy these lines, insert a code, wrong Gmail. Let me print A. A is @. Why? Because we forget to put this a small detail here. Now let us paste our Gmail. Welcome. It's right. Now let's put a wrong Gmail. For example, learning a star. Here we put @glam.com and then run it. Wrong email. The code has created in a perfect way. Okay, this is the end of this exercise. In the next lesson, we are going to learn about lists. But don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any question, ask in the comments. I answer the questions daily. Don't forget to support us and have a good